Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham and these are your morning market headlines for Friday the 14th of December. FTSE are around 5 points higher at 59.35, but still really oscillating in that range we've seen for the last few days. It did hit around 59.10 in the aftermarket yesterday on some worrying news from the US regarding the fiscal cliff, but then it has rallied once again following better Chinese data. Now the HSBC flash manufacturing PMI for December rose to 50.9, which is only 0.1 point ahead of the 50.8 expected. But nonetheless, it was enough to send the Shanghai market rising 4.3%, racing away off four-year lows, which it had briefly seen earlier in the week. However, there is still no progress on the US fiscal cliff, and that will remain the focus of attention as we head into the final full week before Christmas. With the Eurozone quiet and with the Fed meeting this week now out of the way, it really becomes the main focus of attention for investors. Now, we want to see some progress on that and no unfortunate comments from either side, which would help markets stay calm in the pre-Christmas period. Now, in corporate news this morning, the most exciting mover is sentiment, which has jumped 30% after slumping 60% yesterday. It turns out that the fuel suspension that held operations back yesterday has been removed and operations can resume as normal at the Sukari plant. However, of course, it's one of those things that in Egypt at the moment, you just can't be sure what will happen in the next few days, so do keep an eye on sentiment there. On the economic front, we have US CPI and industrial production for the month of December, and we expect the S&P 500 to start around 3 points higher at 14.22. But that's it for me, but do consult your insight platforms for more news and analysis.